Welcome back to Lake Wailes. Going downhill. Looks fun, but we gotta make a stop. It's a little bumpy section here. Alright, we went through the trail here just because there's no more streets to circle, so we'll have to cut through here. I did this trail on the other side. Now we're doing it backwards, but I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm just trying to find a back road, one of the residential streets. Yeah, we're doing circles this time, and then in the future we'll do the up and down streets. That's gonna be fun. Steep. Okay, still no street, so we gotta go past. Okay, I found one. Should be up here. I don't know if you can see this, but this is basically the anatomy of the Lake Wailes streets. All right, see, it's not a big circle section, but I think Polk Avenue will work. All right, so this shortcut here, to the left you can cross under the bridge. I think I recorded that already, so I'm gonna go the opposite side. Polk, we just left Polk. I forgot the name. I have no idea what this is. 4th Street, there you go. We're basically in downtown Lake Wailes on the back roads. Fourth and Johnson Episcopal Church. We just passed that. Tillman, and this should be First Baptist. Let's see. Yep, FBC. Stop here. Car coming. So this Park Avenue has like a tiny bike trail, running trail, whatever it's called. Let's go up so you can see it. And then we'll go still one more circle. It's not the Court of Seven Chimneys. This makes me feel like we're in Leave It to Beaver. Crystal Lake Park. So this is that trail. Let's pick it up on the beginning here. It's not much of a trail, but the big trail is the Lake Wailes one. The Lake Wailes Park. And here it is. This is Crystal Lake Park. Small lake. And this is the First United Methodist. Perfect timing. First Presbyterian, sorry. There you go. That should be a good end to the video. Looks like they're doing this trail here in the winter 2022 connector trail, multi-use trail, trail lighting, parallel parking, scenic overlook, contemporary landscaping. So I guess it's this here. I don't know if they're connecting it with something else, but doesn't look much like a trail to me. Maybe it's on that side. It'd be great if we had a trail that connects counties. There's only like one in Winter Haven. All right, well, we'll stop the video. But yeah, this is the First Presbyterian Church of Lake Wailes, and we're looking at downtown Lake Wailes. I'm gonna go around the lake again, see how far I can go the other side.